Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Sakura Haruno from Naruto in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, the first one guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you can color it with this color. Okay, and you're going to wear this top and we're going to color it maroon. Okay, the next one, we're going to go to this area and wear this top and color it maroon. Okay, and then I'm going to wear glove right here, this glove, and color it black. Remove the fur, make it short, and color it black. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to go to this area, wear this ribbon, toggle it 4 and color it maroon. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this pant, color it black or gray like this, and we're going to make it type 2. Okay, the next one, we're going to wear this skirt, color it with this pink. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the accessories. It's right here. Wear this headband and color it red. And the last one, we're going to go to the dressing room and we're going to wear coat item. Okay, you can wear this boot and make it all black. Guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.